Okay, a bit of a different one today. I was doing a race around Talladega a few days ago. I've posted the video. I don't know if anyone noticed, on the long runs when we just had the engine noise, I could hear a tune. There was definitely a tune in my headphones from driving around the track, like a hidden tune. And I thought, am I going mad? No one mentioned it in the comments, so no one else picked up on it. I could hear it when I was driving. I could hear it in the replay. I've got the replay here, and I've just done some messing around with the sound to try and isolate it. And I guess this is a cry for help. Can anyone else hear this? Because it's driving me mad, but it feels like there's a hidden tune in iTunes, in iRacing, sorry. Let me play it. And if you hear it, please comment because I think I'm going mad. But I'll be quiet. And the first section is just the normal sound, and see if you can hear it in there. The second bit, I've tried messing around with the sound in my video editing to try and make it a bit more pronounced. So let's just see.
Keep low. Clear high.
I don't know. Can you hear it? I'll try. I'll sing along and see if you can pick it up. It's almost like a violin or something, a stringed instrument, and I'll try and sing along with it. Da, 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 da. That's the tune. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm going mad, whether it is really there. It's nothing else in the house. It was definitely on the feed. So it's like some sort of hidden tune in iRacing. I don't know if anyone else has ever heard that. But anyway, here it is. It's out there. If I'm going mad, tell me. If you can hear it, please do tell me because, yeah, am I hearing things? Anyway, that's it. Hopefully, if you enjoyed this and you want to see proper racing videos, then hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.